And here is the strange part I want to reveal to you, ladies and gentlemen. While other all allies were being punished or isolated, Matiang'i was left untouched. Ruto's government dropped investigations. They cooled the political pressure and allowed Fred Matiang'i to move freely. And that raised the first red flag. Kwa nini, ladies and gentlemen, Matiang'i anaishi kwa amani wakati wengine wanahangaika? Hizo ndio maswali watu walikuwa wanajiuliza. ODM's growing doubt ni kitu ambayo sasa imetuonyesha kwamba Fred Matiang'i yako na serikali. As ODM watched Matiang'i reappear in public functions, education events, funerals and professional conferences, waligundua something ambayo haikuwa inaonekana. He never attacked President Ruto. He never defended Raila. He kept a neutral presidential tone. ODM leaders like Edwin Sifuna and Junet Mohammed started whispering that this man, Fred Matiang'i, is being polished for 2027. But not by the opposition, by the system itself. According to ODM insiders, Matiang'i is being used to clean Ruto's image among professionals and Kisii voters to act as a preach in regions where Ruto remains unpopular. Nataka tu munisikize vizuri na munielewe.